Welcome back to Resto TV. I'm Ace. What you got today is a 1966 Ford F-100 short bed. Let's check it out. All right, what you're gonna find up underneath the hood of this F-100 is a sweet, fully built 390 with a 4-speed behind it. It's also got vintage air, a Champion aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, power steering, power brakes, all show, all go. It's everything you need in a pickup truck. One of the things that stood out to us about this truck is this seat. Man, we love some plaid, and I bet you do too. It's just something different that you don't see in today's vehicles. So you got this fully redone seat, super comfortable. It's also got a tilt column, you got Dakota Digital gauges, you got vintage air, you've also got a retro radio. So it looks like it's all stock, but it's actually got Bluetooth, you've got speakers behind the seat here. This thing is great. It's ready to go. In this awesome truck, what you're gonna find is a color-matched spray-in bed liner. So this thing's got functionality to it. You can throw some chairs back here when you're going to the cruise in or going to go hang out with some friends. It's also not going to hurt it. It can get wet. But what else is really neat? Right here, here's your gas cap. This is how you fill up this truck. Take it and you twist it and it pops up, unscrew it, and that's how you put your fuel in back here in the back. As you can see behind me, how cool this truck looks. The baby blue and white just make it look perfect. It's got that classic feel, but it's also got a little bit of a modern twist to it with the brand new US Mag 20-inch wheels, brand new tires. This thing's amazing. All the underside of this truck is also fully painted and detailed. So I think it's everything that a person could dream of in a hot rod pickup truck. If you want more information on this F-100 or any of our other rides, visit restowarehouse.com or give me a call, 865-409-5407. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you follow our Facebook and Instagram. Again, I'm Ace, keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.